Is this skincare device worth it? Honestly, 100% yes, especially for those who have tried basically everything in their skincare routine and they're just not seeing any improvements from where they are now. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Amanda and it's nice to meet you. Now for today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a review on a beauty device brand that I've just recently discovered called DR.PEN. Now, you guys know how passionate I am about skincare and just looking after the skin in general. I will heavily take the time to invest in just good skincare products and get regular facials when I can, which I have spoken about on my YouTube and Instagram. Now, when we think of skincare investments, I really do think beauty devices is something that comes up a lot in our minds because it truly is an investment of our time, dedication, and of course our money. Now, I feel like beauty devices have made such a huge leap in the past couple of years because that technology has become a lot more accessible and available, especially in our homes. Now, for me personally, I've never really relied too much on beauty devices, but here I am putting it to the test today. Now, this is where DR.PEN come in. They are an Australian female-led and owned company, mainly known for their microneedling pen products, but they've just expanded more beauty tech tools in their range. So you guys know I had to get my hands on a couple of items and see if it provides the same results as what you would get in a skincare clinic, because if so, then we might be onto something. Now, I'm mainly going to be reviewing 2 beauty tech items and then a couple of skincare products. So the main one that I'm going to be sharing with you is this baby here. So this is the Isabelle Lumiere Light Therapy Mask for the face and neck. Now, if you guys aren't too familiar with LED masks, they pretty much release wavelengths of different colored lights to target and treat various skin concerns. So think of LED as like the sun acting to a plant. It is penetrating the skin to a cellular level and then later on causing different intra and intercellular reactions to the skin. So what I like about this specific mask is that it has 7 LED colors, which is pretty wild. First color we have is red, which promotes collagen and elastin for anti-aging and targets fine lines and wrinkles. Next we've got green, which promotes even skin tone and texture. Next we have blue, which eliminates acne-causing bacteria and regulates oil production. Next we've got cyan, which calms and soothes the skin. Next we've got yellow, which brightens and assists in redness. Next we've got purple, which stimulates healing, repair, and cell regeneration. Lastly, we have white, which tightens, firms, and brightens the complexion. So in the pack itself, you obviously get the face mask and it does come with adjustable straps. Now, what I really like about this specific mask is that it is made out of a silicone material. So 1, it's super hygienic, and 2, it's very, very comfortable to wear. Now with the neck therapy mask, I really like this. I think it's a really nice touch with the pack because as we all know, the neck ages faster than the face. So we have to have it looking fresh and snatched always. Now you also get the USB charger and controller here as well. So basically with each of the masks, they come with this USB cord at the bottom. So essentially you just attach it onto the controller like so and turn it on. It's that easy. I absolutely love it. I'll show you guys how I personally like to use this mask, but one thing that I do want to mention is that this is a very user-friendly mask, which is something that I was super surprised about. Now, basically, once I have cleansed my face really well to remove it of all the dirt and makeup residue, I'll pat my face with a nice clean towel, put the mask on, turn it on, select the color treatment that I want to use for the day, select the time that I want it to go for, and honestly, that is pretty much it. It is so quick and easy and convenient. I can still do my household jobs while wearing this face mask. I can watch a movie, I can make a coffee, I can make my bed, just all in the comfort of your own home, and that's exactly what I love about this mask. Now, out of all the skincare devices available today, I really do think LED is one that we see the most of, and for good reason, because unfortunately, our collagen does decrease with age, hence why we are always trying to increase it again through food, skincare supplements, and now devices. And in all honesty, these are 100% investments. They are not cheap whatsoever, and it really does take time and diligence to see results. But compared to getting it done in a salon where you're paying X amount per session and you're having to go every couple of weeks or months, this is a one-time purchase that will pretty much last you forever if you take care of it. Just from trying this mask for the past 2 weeks, the 2 things that I have found is that 1, my skin has been a lot more like supple and bouncy. I actually had a compliment from a girl the other day when I was shopping, when I was makeup free, and she actually did mention that my skin looked really fresh and bouncy. Second thing is that it has really evened out my skin tone like crazy than what it actually used to look like, because there were days where I felt like my skin was just really dull and uneven. So this has really helped a lot for me so far. Now, is this skincare device worth it? Honestly, 100% yes, especially for those who have tried basically everything in their skincare routine and they're just not seeing any improvements from where they are now. I really do think this LED mask could just take you that next level up in your skincare game. Now, for this specific mask, it does say to use this for about 10 to 20 minutes per day, 3 times a week, which at first it does seem pretty like crazy just to add it into your routine 3 days a week. But the easiest way I have found to use this is just to embed it in my daily routine. So like I mentioned before, I can make my bed, do my household chores, make a coffee, watch a movie. It just makes it a lot more easy and convenient to use. So all in all, I highly recommend this product. Now, the next beauty tool I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this baby. So this is the Zobel Glacier IPL hair remover, and this one is for all my girls that just struggle with body hair like I do. Now, I'm Greek, so if you know, you know. I've just always personally struggled with removing body hair. It is just very stubborn, and I just remember growing up and just always going to like laser clinics to just remove all my hair. And if I were to add up every single session that I've done to remove all my hair, I've probably spent like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So this just makes life so much easier and cost effective. In the pack itself, besides the protective case that it comes in, you obviously get the main hair remover tool here. Now this is in like a nice soft matte touch finish. You get the power outlet cord here. You get a disposable razor, which is really nice, some protective goggles, and then of course a instruction manual here. I really like how this is laid out. It's really travel friendly and it just looks really nice and sleek. What's really cool about this hair remover is that it uses a unique combination of pulse light plus cooling effect. This means that not only is your skin soothed to prevent irritation, the cooling effect actually regulates the temperature of the device, making it not hot at all when you apply it onto the skin. This means that with every zap of the unwanted hair, the IPL remover will always perform at the optimum temperature and give you the most effective results with the least irritation. The main 2 treatment modes on the IPL remover is the press and flash and slide and flash. So with the press and flash mode, this is recommended for treating the more sensitive, small, hard to reach areas. So things like your knees, shins, ankles, bikini line, or underarm. You just simply press the trigger button to activate. And with the slide and flash mode, this is ideal for the more larger areas, so things like your legs and your arms. You just simply press the trigger button and hold whilst gliding the device across the treatment area. Now, it is very important to always do a patch test prior to using this. If you do have any reactions, I do recommend to not use this product. And I will also say to always shave the area that you are going to be using the IPL remover on. Just make sure your skin is clean, dry, and just free from any oils, lotions, and moisturizers, as well as fake tan. Now, the recommended use for this product is once per week for the next 12 weeks. And so far, I've only been using it for 2 weeks, so I haven't seen a super crazy difference just yet, but I know that if I am consistent with it for the next couple of weeks, I will see optimum results. And for the post care, once I've done my treatment, I'll just go in with just a very simple fragrance-free moisturizer. It is super important to keep the area hydrated once you've done your treatment. Overall, since I've been using this product, I do think it is a really great investment for someone that has struggled with body hair for absolutely years. I really like how easy and just convenient this is to use. It is cost effective and you can do it in the comfort of your own home. So if you are on the hunt for a hair remover and you don't want to go out and spend hundreds of dollars, definitely check one of these out because I think you guys will really like it. Last but not least, the final items that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are these 3 skincare serums. Now, I've got the peptide complex serum, the vitamin C serum, and hyaluronic acid serum. The first one we have is the vitamin C serum. I'll show you guys a little close-up of it. It's just very simple and minimal packaging. It does have a dropper applicator as well, but essentially vitamin C activates cell growth and regeneration. It improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation. It does boost collagen in the skin, and it does just give you just such a brighter and clearer complexion while making your skin quite glowy and fresh. so far I've actually really been liking this one. I've been using it more so in the daytime as like the first kind of skincare step after I've cleansed and toned my face. I really like how this feels. It's not sticky or heavy at all, and it definitely does give my skin just a brighter complexion. So yeah, so far I've been really loving this one. We have the Peptide Complex Serum, and this one is perfect for anti-aging. It actually has a combination of botanical extracts and peptides just to really give the skin a healthy radiance. Now, it does work to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while stimulating the production of collagen and elastin in the skin. It does work to target dullness, hyperpigmentation, again, fine lines and wrinkles. It's just an all-around great serum, and I've really been seeing results with this one. Last but not least, we have the hyaluronic acid serum, and this is probably the one that I've been using the most because you guys know I have a very dry skin, and hyaluronic acid is just perfect for hydrating and plumping the skin, and that's exactly what this product does. So hyaluronic acid pretty much locks in moisture by strengthening and stimulating the skin's natural barrier, so your skin just stays hydrated for longer, and that's exactly what I love about this. This does also target fine lines, pores, wrinkles, and dullness, so I definitely have been leaning more towards this one than the other two, but as a trio they are absolutely amazing. You can use these in conjunction with one another as well, and as a trio this is $99, but individually you can buy these for about $50 each, so it does make sense to get the trio as opposed to getting them individually. But yeah, so far I've really been loving these, and I have seen quite just a noticeable difference in just my skin complexion. So yeah, we absolutely love them. And there you have it, guys. That is the end of today's DR.PEN review. I really hope that you enjoyed it and found this video informational on just beauty device tools in general. Now, I wouldn't recommend anything to you without giving you my honest and true thoughts, and overall, all of the products worked. They are very easy to use, it's convenient, it's cost effective, and you can do it in the comfort of your own home. Now, if I was going to choose one item out of everything that I spoke about, I do recommend the LED face and neck mask. I think that just worked absolute wonders, and I have seen a very noticeable difference in my skin. Yes, they are an investment, but it's a once-off purchase, and it will just last you an absolute lifetime. So yeah, overall, everything was a 10 out of 10, and I'll be linking everything in the description box down below. And if you guys did like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below as well. I would love for you to join the family. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.